Increase production velocity and capacity with smart factory integration. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides smart factory integration utilizing IoT, Internet of Things, technology coupled with built-in CAD, ERP, engineering and manufacturing integration capabilities. This starts with a production dashboard that connects your various software and hardware technologies. This includes bidirectional integration with your shop floor machine tools. Global Edge provides a simplified method to monitor shop floor production with smart factory integration. Global Edge helps increase production velocity and capacity with the automated preparation of complete shop floor information that includes the generation of optimal routings integrated with MES and the shop floor. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.